Holy crap, babe! This bass is freaking massive.
Keep pulling up, baby.
What is up, BA fam, and welcome back to The Brave Angler. Today we are going to be testing out a summertime classic, the drop shot, over at the Ocklawaha River. Let's see if we can reel in some big ones. I wore the wrong shoes for this. Yep. Should have brought the kayaks. The water's super calm. This would be a good place to put the boat in, though. Oh, this one still has nothing tied to it. I guess I'll just have to use a drop shot until I can put one of those worms on here. Which I have been having problems with this lately. It is really beautiful out right now, and now I'm like seriously regretting not bringing the kayaks because the weather is freaking perfect. Yeah, babe, we messed up. We should have brought the kayaks. This is perfect. Absolutely stunning. Holy crap, babe! Oh, this pole is not going to be able to hold this. This bass is freaking massive. And I just saw him too. Shit! What do I do?
Tight. Keep it tight. Pull your pole up. There you go.
It's going to snap this pole. He's huge.
Just keep it up. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Where's the net?
Keep going. You're tiring him out. He's trying to go. Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
Oh my god, you guys. Are you guys seeing this?
Alright, alright, alright. Keep it tight.
I am.
You gotta keep it tight. Alright, tighten up your drag. Tighten up your drag.
How? To the right?
There you go. There you go. Keep pulling up, baby.
I cannot believe I just caught this bass. We're gonna have to get the
Go get the scale.
Oh my god. I told you it was big. You guys, I have not caught a bass in like 3 weeks. Worth the wait. I don't even care that I have the wrong shoes on because this baby has got to be at least 5 pounds. If he's not, I'm gonna be very, very disappointed. Oh my god, guys, look at this freaking bass. 5 pounds, 7 ounces. I'm so excited.
How's it going, guys?
Thank you. Right here, yeah.
All right.
5, 6. All right.
As low as you can and just drop them in. Face down. There he goes. Wait, catch him again.
Right? Holy crap.
Good job. Good job.
That was my biggest one yet.
Now you want a boat? That's big. That's just as big as the one I caught.
I'm out of breath.
I mean, yours was longer. If that thing was like full belly, that probably would have been a 7-pounder.
Oh.
You know?
That wasn't.
That was a really good
There's a few of them over here.
That was a really good catch.
They were all like right here. Right in the front, coming back and forth from the lilies. Oh my God.
Really good shot.
Thank you.
Like I said, drop shot.
And I was literally just saying like how I wasn't confident with this at all.
Yeah, drop shots. Drop shots good. Oh, looks like something just knocked over there. Yeah, that's really good, baby.
Thank you.
Really good. I don't see how you see it.
I don't know, I'm wearing these glasses. But yeah, I could see their tails coming to, there's one right there. I see it underneath the moss, you can see the tips of their tails. It's the lightest part of them. They're darker bass in here. All right, so as you guys just saw, I just reeled in my personal best bass. It was 5.6, between 5.6 and 5.7 ounces with the drop shot. So this summertime classic is something, especially if you're inexperienced at bass fishing like I am. I have never used it before. I had no idea what I was doing. Luckily, Stevie was able to help me out, and I'm so excited, you guys, as you could tell from the video. But this really, as you guys heard us talking in the video, we've been talking about getting a boat, but you know, as middle-class Americans, we can't just go out and buy a boat. So we're gonna actually be looking at some used boats, and hopefully we find one. So maybe in the next video, we will be showing you our new to us boat. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can see what adventure we go on next.